Hello and welcome to another video. Here we've got a torso rotation going on. You can see it going along nice and smooth. It's got a little bit of lag because the axle, well, it's a wee bit loose in there, and the mounting brackets for the linear actuator I have inside are also a little bent, so a few tweaks in the torso rotation will be perfect, but it's pretty good for now. I mean, unfortunately it turns more to the left than the right, so it's a little uneven. I mean, that's as far as it goes to the left, and we've got some wires leaking out, but as you can see, it twists to the right. Well, it doesn't go very far beyond the, just the basic neutral middle rotation. That's just a fix of the mounting point for the linear actuator where it connects to the hip deck, which I will, well, I guess I can show you right now because it's just about done rotating. So you go under here. It's basically this bracket right here needs to be moved further inward. That's mostly a tweak that can be done, I don't know, probably at some point other than after the upcoming test run. I plan on making the cod piece right here swing outwards, so then the door will be a two-part system. So you'll have the cod piece swinging outwards, which the pedals will be mounted to, so it makes it easier to get in and out of the mech. And of course there will be the door. Like how frosty it is, it's like some Frostpunk level stuff, but it's going to be getting up to 50 this upcoming weekend, so hard to believe in January it's going to be getting that warm, but hopefully all this snow will melt away a bit and I can do not an all-terrain test run. I don't want to test the tread on these tires, but yeah. I'm just using these PVC bits right here to pose the arms of it to make it look a little more fancy. And putting this little hubcap on, I realized how important little touches like that are. That really makes it come together. I mean, look at that. That looks a lot more robot, doesn't it? So maybe some of those up on the elbows and maybe down here to make it look cool. I don't know, but that hip rotation, because if you may recall, the block that was keeping it steady would keep wiggling all over the place, giving a kind of weird rotation, but now the rotation is better, if a bit, laggy and off center. But yeah, this is, you probably can't tell, but this is as far to the right as it is turned, and it's pretty much just about straight. So little tweak with that, but that's not a major issue. So the only thing I gotta do is put the armpit bolts in, put on the deltoid tendons, which help raise the arms up, maybe some in the elbows that help bend the elbows, lube the elbows, and that will be just about it for the next test run. I'm not sure if I'm going to do anything special. Maybe I'll have it bash Judd McStud's head again or something, I don't know, but we'll have to wait and see. So be sure to like and subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye bye.